Einen wunderschönen guten Abend und ich freue mich sehr, mal wieder die Late Night musikalisch gestalten zu dürfen und einen wunderbaren Gast begrüßen zu dürfen, Sarah von Paper Aeroplanes. Das sind einige von den Alben, die sie schon rausgebracht haben. Es gibt im März 2015 ein neues Album und wir bekommen heute exklusiv einen Song von diesem Album zu hören und das heißt Books und Sarah spielt es jetzt, also viel Vergnügen dabei.
Time is on your side. Ooh, you've got a young heart, honey, of the purest kind. And I know you'll be fine. Ooh, yeah, you can catch them up. Don't wait in line. Ooh, 'cause all these books are heavy. You get strong, keep moving on and on. Long gone on until the stories are ready. Keep it steady and the beat will come on and on. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. I found love at a hopeless time. Ooh, he was a sweetheart, yes, but he was not mine. Hit quicksand and everything else got out of hand. But you should only build your house on solid ground. Ooh, 'cause all these books are heavy. You'll get strong, keep moving on and on. Long gone on until the stories are ready. Keep it steady and the beat will come on and on. Woo-hoo. You'll get strong, keep moving on and on. You're no long gone on until the stories are ready. Keep it steady and the beat will come on and on. And all these books are heavy. You'll get strong, keep moving on and on. You're no long gone on until the stories are ready. Keep it steady and the beat will come on and on.
We'll be right back.